March 11th, 2011. The largest earthquake ever recorded struck eastern Japan. A tremor with an intensity of 7 on the Japanese seismic scale, coupled with a 40-meter tsunami, wreaked catastrophic devastation along the northeast coast of Japan.
その首都とやり取りする部分がかなりの期間壊れてるもんですから、避難所の設営運営ですね、あと物資の最低限のものを揃えるようなことはスムーズにはいかなかったっていうのは、電話とインターネットっていうのが非常に切望してたところでもあります。
通信もですね、物理的に破壊されていたり停電したり、そういうことで復旧に時間がかかったと。沿岸部の方は丸ごとなくなってますから、電話局さんそのものがかなり大きな被害を受けてしまったということもあって、1ヶ月とかですね、2ヶ月かかってやっと復旧しているという状況でございます。
The Great East Japan earthquake has been followed by other natural disasters, from landslides to volcanic eruptions. Japan is prone to natural disasters. The problem is that there is no telling when Mother Nature might strike, crippling the communications infrastructure that enables the gathering and transmission of information that is the lifeblood of mobile phone communication, medicine, and government services. However, NTT has developed a solution. Its Movable and Deployable ICT Resource Unit, the MDRU. The MDRU is extremely versatile. Equipped with an array of communications equipment, servers, and a power source, it is designed for fast deployment and to establish a functional communications infrastructure in a disaster-stricken area, and it continues to evolve. The original MDRU is approximately the same size as a standard shipping container. Within approximately 1 hour of setup, it can harness wireless LAN communications to bring to nearby areas information and communication technology services, or ICT, such as voice communications. This puts people, such as families that have been separated due to a disaster, back in contact. Simply install an application on a smartphone, and a user can be back communicating with others, and doing so with their regular mobile phone numbers. The MDRU also has a feature that can extend the service area by remote control, using relay connections surrounding wireless LAN access points. With this, ICT service coverage can be extended to a nearly 500-meter radius. The MDRU can also function as a data center. The unit is designed to efficiently support on-site evacuation shelter operations run by limited staff, such as by being able to easily create a database to keep track of evacuees and relief supplies. In addition, the MDRU harnesses the latest in virtualization technology so that it can be used as multiple networks. This makes it possible for several entities to share information and multiple local governments and companies to be able to operate their own servers and networks safely. Moreover, the MDRU can, of course, be used to not only access satellite communication lines, but also connect to optical fiber that has survived a disaster and restore high-speed communications links outside the local area. Optical fiber can be used regardless of type or length. This helps to rapidly re-establish communication between a disaster-stricken area and the rest of the world. The MDRU is not a one-size-fits-all solution. In addition to the container model, there is also an ICT car. And there's an attaché case type ICT box that can be transported by person. In this way, the MDRU is designed to meet the demands of disasters of varying sizes and degree. The ICT car is ideal for short-term use in locations where it is either hard to transport or set up a container ICT. The vehicle is also equipped with nearly the same features as the large container type and can operate for 5 days without external power. The attaché case-sized ICT box is a more minimalist version that brings to the challenge a small size and the essential features for in-the-field work. It excels at restoring the bare minimum of required communications quickly in locations that the container or ICT car cannot reach. For example, it can enable a temporary means of communication for local government employees and residents. In addition, linking it to a phone line or optical fiber can make it possible to communicate and send data outside the local area. The MDRU has been put through its paces not only in Japan, but field tested in harsh conditions abroad as well. Its operability and stability only continue to improve. A year after a massive typhoon struck San Remigio on Cebu Island in the Philippines in November 2013, the city's communications infrastructure had yet to be completely reconstructed, and phone coverage remained spotty. However, the arrival of an ICT car made all the difference. A communications environment was put in place, allowing several hundred people, including government employees, police, and firefighters, to communicate seamlessly. The MDRU and its features can be applied in a broad range of settings. Beyond helping disaster-stricken areas rebound, it can enable areas with underdeveloped communications infrastructure and help in situations requiring short-term, large-volume data transmission, such as outdoor events. NTT crafted the MDRU based on hard-won, real-world knowledge and experience, acquired after an earthquake of nearly unprecedented magnitude. At NTT, we are actively working to make the MDRU the global standard, so that people worldwide can reap the benefits of this technological achievement. More than a solution to restore the functionality of broken or disconnected networks, this is a device that offers a means to provide, easily, rapidly, and with the minimum workforce, much-needed telecommunications services in the wake of a disaster. This and more is what you can expect from NTT's Movable and Deployable ICT Resource Unit, the MDRU.